2708 Lionheart Road. Corner lot. Let me show you where the parking is. 2022 roof, 2023 HVAC, I believe. Side parking, 2 cars. You've got a column in between the garage. Home is zoned for Brookshire, Winter Park High School, and Glenridge. Really great street here on Lionheart in the Pines. As you walk in, a little coat closet to your left. Actually, not a coat closet because that goes to the other bedroom. So you've got your main living room right here, straight into the fireplace, a little bit of a step down. But that is a wood burning fireplace. You've got your built-ins, nice windows everywhere, or nice natural light. Here into the kitchen. And you got a little eat-in section right here. So I'm gonna walk you through this before we go to the backyard. So again, probably I would consider this the formal dining in this area. You've got your single door that opens, supposed to open out that way into the patio. You get back to your front door. Bedroom number 1. And there's that closet to the coat door that we opened. A decent sized bedroom. Decent sized bathroom, again, blue. Pretty original to the date of this home. Matching sinks. Bedroom number 2. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath. Into the master bedroom. A lot of stuff going on here, but there is a lot of space. Walking through this, it looks to be that is an addition out that way. Potentially us standing in the old bedroom where that might have been your original closet. You can kind of see it looks like a space that closet would go in on that side. And then this master would have gone back to this way because there's obviously a window in it. So again, nice large space here in the master bath. And then obviously a very large master bedroom. That goes out to the screen porch, that goes out to the pool. Also your HVAC, like they said, is a 2022 unit. Come this way into the garage. And the home does have terrazzo all under it, as you can see. Water heater, washer, dryer go right here. Again, that handle is not opening, so that's why we're coming out this way. But you do have a covered patio in between the house. HVAC, pool pump. The parking where our cars are is right on the other side. But you've got this shed right here. Little kidney bean pool.